Hi guys, Clint Antrim with Schmidt Honda. And recently I've had a couple of customers ask me when they get home after they've bought their nice pre-owned Honda, they would like to pair another phone to the vehicle. And they've been having some trouble saying it won't take it or it won't pair. And what I've found the possibilities could be is either your phone is just too old to understand the language coming from the car, and you may need to possibly just update your phone, to also there being too many phones already paired in the pre-owned vehicle that you just bought. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the phones that may already be in your system, so then you can free up space to pair your phone. And here's how you do it. From your home screen, you'll want to go to Settings, and from Settings you want to go to Phone. Then you're going to hit Bluetooth Device List. This is going to bring up any phones that are paired in your vehicle, so you can simply select one of them, and this little box over here is set up to delete that device, and then of course you say yes, and here in just a moment it'll be removed from the list. Looks like it's going to take it a second. We're going to delete that, and yes, there it goes. And as soon as that message disappears, we'll select the next one and hit delete, and yes. And now it is completely free, and you can pair up to 5 devices. So now you just go down here to add Bluetooth device and start the pairing process on your phone. I hope this has been helpful for you this morning, and if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call right here at Schmidt Honda. Again, my name is Clint Antrim, and you can reach me at 217-342-8600.